to draw a little town runabout kind of car, we can start with the wheels. And that's not easy to get a circle. That's not too bad. You can always get a coin or a bit of sellotape to draw around, something like that. And we want to come quite a distance from that. So small cars seem to have quite a long wheelbase. And this is the difficult bit, is drawing the second tyre, because it's got to look like the first tyre. It's easier if you're doing it around a coin or something like that. Now let's put a circle in there, and we'll put those little tick, tick, ticks all the way around there like that. And we'll draw a line across there. And we're going to draw a little line forward about there, and another one about there. And then we're going to draw these wheel arches all the way around, which seem to be quite big on little cars. It's all proportional, isn't it? So they have smaller wheels, but bigger wheel arches like that. Okay, so we want to go sort of about that distance, sort of about like that, and about there to the back there as well. And I'm going to draw a line across. And then this is the tricky bit. Okay, so that wants to come about like that. So I'm sweeping around. So I'm going to sweep around like that and come around in a circle that comes down to the bottom there. That wasn't easy, was it? And then this wants to come, so that line wants to come to from above there to about there. Okay, so now we're going to take this, follow it around and straight across, and then we can do this kind of shallow S at the back. We're going to see a bit of back window in there, and here that's going to be the front door, that's going to be the back door, and we're going to want the handles, we're going to want the door pillars like that, we're going to want to have the rear view mirror, we'll maybe have some kind of line across there, and we'll have the headlight in there, and we're going to want the back lights, and we'll have the side lights, and then we may also get another funny little window put in there as well. And then to make this, that will probably be, oh no, I shouldn't have done that, that should have been the colour of the car. We'll make this look like glass by putting in these swooshy, swoopy lines like that. And there you go. There's a little car to run about town. All you need to do now is colour it in and click down there to make sure you're subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back to draw stuff more easy with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.